In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your IP address on Google Chrome. Vertical bar Unlimited VPN for Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type the name of a reputable VPN provider. The important thing here is to choose a well-known extension that has solid reviews and appears trustworthy in the store. When you find the VPN extension you want to use, click on it to open the extension page. After that, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add the extension. Go ahead and confirm the installation by clicking the button in the prompt to continue. Chrome will download the extension and add it to your browser. In most cases, you will then see the VPN icon appear near the top right area of Chrome, usually next to the address bar or inside the extensions menu. At this point, the VPN extension is installed and ready for use in Chrome. If the icon is hidden, click the extension's puzzle piece icon to find it and pin it for easier access. That can save time later if you plan to turn the VPN on and off regularly. After the extension is added, you are ready to begin using it inside Chrome to change your browsing IP address. That covers everything you need to know.